Sensex PE ratio just hit levels not seen since May 2020. That was the COVID crash bottom. West Asia war has pushed Indian valuations to crisis territory. The question that's there in everyone's mind right now is whether this is a value opportunity to load up or a value trap if the war lasts for 6+ months and oil stays above $100. Here's the framework. Let's understand the PE context first. Sensex PE right now stands at 20.2 times. May 2020, the PE multiple had dropped down to 19.56 times, which is the lowest that the Sensex has ever seen, literally so close to the COVID bottom. But understand that COVID was different. COVID was a one-time shock. Everything got back on track as soon as vaccines arrived. The lockdown was lifted, eventually everything grew, and the earnings rebounded. West Asia war, on the other hand, is open-ended with no clear resolution timeline. It fell because of all these reasons. And Goldman Sachs recently added more to this fact, actually cutting India's GDP growth estimates to 5.9% from the 7% levels which it had estimated before. Lower earnings leads to a higher justified PE compression. The question is this: is 20.2x as the PE cheap? Depends on whether earnings stabilize or keep falling. Oil falls back to $90 to $100 per barrel within the next 6 months. Import costs normalize. Rupee strengthens to 88 to 90 rupees and earnings actually rebound. Then this 20.2 times PE actually means that Sensex could rally 15 to 20% in the next 12 months. This, from a value investor's mindset, would translate to this fact that the PE is very low right now. So securities are undervalued. I should load up. I should buy more. Markets are pricing in this extended war. But if the war ends faster than expected, there's a massive upside that needs to be covered in terms of growth. Now let's look at the value trap perspective. Strait of Hormuz closes for another 2+ months. Oil barrels could touch levels of $130 to $150. India's CAD, that is the current account deficit, will literally explode. Inflation could touch levels of 8 to 9%, and the RBI would be forced to raise rates even if they don't want to, which would slow down economic growth. This exact scenario is called stagflation, and it's one of the worst things that can happen to an economy. Stagflation, in simple words, means high inflation but low economic growth. In this scenario, the PE of the Sensex will actually continue to fall. And if this happens, it's not good because Sensex could make new bottoms. Stagflation scenario drags into Q3 of 2026. FY27 earnings will get revised down again. Then the current 20.2 times PE would actually mean that it's still expensive and not cheap. Value trap is basically translating to the fact that cheap PE means nothing if earnings keep falling. Falling knife looks cheap at every level until it stops falling. I hope this helped.